So students, in this question we have the person P standing on open ground and it hears the sound of jet aeroplane coming from north at an angle 60 degree with the ground level. So this angle is 60 degree with the ground level. Okay. Now he finds the aeroplane right vertically above his position. So this aeroplane reaches here. Okay. Let this be point B. So directly above P, he reaches here. Okay. So students, this angle is 60 degree. Question is, the person standing on open ground hears the sound. So here, this is the sound traveled in this direction and reaches his ear when it was at 60 degree. But when he look, see, he was not looking at aeroplane when he was standing over here. He was not looking at aeroplane. But he heard the sound, and after hearing the sound, he looked upwards. And when he looked upward, the aeroplane was at position B. Okay? So if the speed of the sound is V, what is the speed of the plane? Okay? This is what we have to find. If the sound of the plane is Vp, so if the sound of the speed is given V and plane is, let us assume Vp, so you have to find Vp here in this question. Okay, and you have to find it in terms of V. So obviously two distances are traveled here. One is this AB and one is this AP. So AP is the distance traveled by sound. So sound traveled this distance and velocity is constant V. Okay. And how much time taken? T. Let the T be the time taken. So this distance is Vt. AP. Okay. Now in time T, this sound reaches here and he looks up instantly. So it means during the time the sound reaches here, the plane reaches from B to A. So it means time is same in both the cases. So here this distance is Vp into T. Yes. So distance AB is equals to Vp into T because velocity is constant in both the cases. So distance is velocity into time. Now 60 degree is given to you. So you can write this as, this is also Vpt. Now you have these three. So what is the relation between these three? This is your base. This is your hypotenuse. What is the relation between hypotenuse and base? Cos theta. So cos 60 degrees is what? That's a base upon hypotenuse. So this is your AP is your hypotenuse and this is your base. So what do you get? Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Base is Vpt and hypotenuse, sorry, base is Vpt, hypotenuse V into, तो बस T से T कैंसिल एंड Vp क्या आ गया आपका? यस, Vp इज इक्वल्स टू V ऊपर चला गया, दैट्स V बाय. ओके स्टूडेंट्स.